how valuable is your time? Now, I'm not asking you to share what your pay rate is or your salary. I'm asking you to assess how you value your time and what you give your time to. Because as a leader in an organization, what you dedicate your time to is a direct indicator to what you value within the organization. What do I mean by that? Well, as Peter Drucker said, what you fund gets done. When I look at an organization's financial statements, it's very easy for me to identify what the organization values. For instance, recently I was looking at an organization's financial statement and they had a line item for leadership bonuses, but they had no line item in their budget for employee development, rewards, recognition, or any line item at all for strategic initiatives. So what they valued was rewarding leadership team performance, but not acknowledging rewarding any of the employees who would make any performance enhancements happen or any intentional changes to sustain the organization through strategic planning. They valued rewarding themselves versus others and looking forward for the good of the company. I know in my own personal financials, I have a line item that's hefty for taking care of my horses. I enjoy brushing my horses, taking care of my horses, riding my horses. My personal line item in my budget for horse care is much higher than entertainment. I would rather spend time in my barn with my horses than going to a movie theater or a show. I just don't enjoy them that much. So my budgets reflect what I value. In your organization, your team, your department, your company, are you budgeting what you believe is important? And then as a leader, are you dedicating your time to supporting those initiatives, those activities, those people, teams, or projects that you value and that will allow you to move your organization forward? How valuable is your time and what you give to others?